One of the most important things you can figure out when you're trading is the expectations game and the old buy the rumor, sell the news. And I've been burned a lot learning this the hard way, but when everyone is hyped up about something, a lot of times that can be in the middle or the end of a big trend, for instance, crypto in 2017. But the expectations, when they're really beaten down and there's a developing story of improvement, that doesn't make the headlines. The headlines are always bad news, but gradual improvement never make the headlines. So when you can get on the right side of the expectations game, which means seeing improvement or seeing good basing in the chart pattern, but everyone's pretty negative or very quiet or dismissive, you're on the right track because any upward surprise is going to turn into a big price move. But when you're on the other side, and a lot of times these still work out, but it's a more crowded trade. When everyone expects something to do so well and expects this huge trend to continue, there's a lot of people stuck long in the market, probably a lot of money that got in late, saw the chart pattern and jumped in. And if that narrative doesn't play out, it's going to be super painful. And then a lot of times it has to work its way out. It'll base, it'll have negativity, story changes, and then it has to move back up again when it bases. And I think that that's really, really important. Probably one of the most important things in all of trading to pay attention to is that where are you on the expectation cycle in terms of what you're doing? And when you're day trading, that can be hard to figure out, but you have to think about correlations with other products. You have to think about the news flow, and it's a little bit tricky, and that's something you learn with experience. But on the bigger picture stuff, cryptocurrencies or these lithium stocks that went way up and came back off, things like that, you can figure it out a little easier, but it's really worth paying attention to expectations.